Good morning, everybody. This is the first in this series. I'm building a rain tank out of a trampoline, some fencing that I'll be putting around to contain a tarp, a rubber or vinyl liner. I'm going to put poles into the ground using a hammer drill to drill. I'm going to flip this trampoline upside down, put the actual cover, which is ripped and not safe, on the top. Use that to remove mosquitoes from getting in. Also, I'll add some more structure to it as we go along. I'm going to line the bottom with some mulch or sand, possibly some erosion barrier, black stuff that I've scrounged up. And I'm going to have possibly a 6 foot tall, because this is going to be raised on poles to about this tall. That's about 3,000 gallons. Diameter is 11 feet, so that's 5.5 squared times pi times 6 times 7 gallons. That's about 3,000 gallons. And this should be interesting. Follow me along, like and subscribe to get updates. I don't think anyone else has done this, so it'll be a first, and we can all learn together and maybe learn how to make 3,000 gallon rain tank. More if you have a bigger trampoline frame. These things are free on the curb. Every time you see one, grab it. All right, talk to you later. Bye.